Hi, this is Mary. Today I'd like to show you a 31FS. This is a 2015, so it's slightly used. A lot of good adventures probably were had, and please give me a call. We can make a deal on this one if you'd like the inside. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. So let's look inside. It's actually on the exterior, it's really in good shape. A little bit of wear and tear on the inside. So let's go ahead and look inside. So really open floor plan. You do have seat belts here in the dinette and seat belts in this jackknife sofa. So you have two kids that could sleep here. You've got a couple of kids that could sleep here, one here. Then you have bunks in the back. So beautiful kitchen. And Jayco has this is top of the line. Back in 2015, there's a lot of little upgrades in here. So as you can see, Norcold refrigerator. The countertops are very nicely taken care of. So lots of space in here. And let's look in this is where you've got more space for more kiddos. So two bunks here, and then there's an extra little DVD player on each bunk, which is pretty amazing. And then a really spacious bathroom. And here is your wardrobe closet. That bathroom, got everything you need. Glass shower. So just imagine having all kinds of fun adventures in this unit. And the most important thing is out camping, having fun, going and catching frogs and climbing trees, right? And then this is your master queen size bed with all the storage, really a good amount of storage back here too. So if you would like to come and view this unit, please give me a call, 406-850-4590, and work with Mary, and let's make a deal on this one.